In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Close CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to open the email composer from a contact, and how to send your message with confidence. First, open Close and head to your inbox. This is the quickest home base for your daily workflow, and it ensures you're working from the same place you manage tasks and follow-ups. If you already keep Close open in a browser tab, just switch to the inbox view so you're ready to jump into your contacts. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and find Contacts. This is where all of your people and companies are organized. Selecting Contacts moves you from task-focused views into your full list of records so you can quickly reach out to the right person without hunting through multiple pages. Go ahead and click Contacts. You'll see your list appear. Scan for the person or company you want to email. Beside each contact's name, you'll notice a small mail icon. That icon is your shortcut to the email composer. It's there to minimize clicks and let you start a message from the exact record you're working with. Click the mail icon for the contact you want to reach. This opens the leader contact view. At the top, you'll see an email option. If the composer isn't already visible, click email at the top to bring it into focus. This keeps the message tied to the right record so your communication history stays organized. In the composer, enter your subject line. Keep it clear, specific, and relevant to the recipient. Short subjects that highlight the value or purpose of your message tend to perform best. If appropriate, reference a recent conversation or the exact topic you're following up on to make it immediately recognizable. Before you send, take a quick moment to glance over the details. Make sure you're sending from the correct account, the recipient is the right contact on the record, and the subject accurately reflects your message. Small checks like these help avoid mix-ups and keep your outreach professional. When everything looks good, click Send. Close will log this email on the lead's timeline, so you and your team have a complete record of communication. If your email account is already connected to Close, the message will send right away. If not, Close will guide you to connect it so you can send directly from the app next time. And that's it. Simple, fast, and neatly organized inside Close.